Alright, hi guys, welcome back. Today we will be playing some stuff. We're going to go onto Google and now we're going to play on Neil.fun, which is a really fun game. So you can do draw perfect circle, you can do infinite craft. So we're going to do infinite craft. Yes, so I've already played this game before and we got all of these stuff. So we have all of these and I'm gonna try and create PewDiePie. So we have a swamp with rainbow and swamp, marsh, telescope and marsh, alien. Okay, that's new. And aliens do have heads. Alien mist, UFO. That makes sense. UFO and werewolf, alien, astronomer, which is like a sort of scientist versus alien, UFO again. What about a UFO with fire? An alien with water. Aliens don't really like water. Fish. That makes sense. Dust with fish. Starfish and starfish with starfish with starfish. Starfish. Dune with starfish. Sand. Glass with sand. They're basically the same thing. All glass. Okay, guys, we're on the road, alright? We're on the road. What shall we do next, guys? Telescope with all glass. Time. Fireplace with time. Ash, okay, we're getting to YouTube. Let's try to do YouTube. Okay, what's the most related thing to YouTube that's here? Fire is probably the most related. Phonics. Well, phonics, however you say it. I'll say phonics. June with phonics. Sand. Sand with sand. Desert. Desert with desert. Sand. June with sand. Desert. Sandstorm with desert. Oasis. Dust storm with oasis. Sand. I think starfish with sand. Beach. Why are we getting all the things that we already have? What about rainbow with beach? Rain. Ash with rain. Mud. Wait, what? That doesn't. It's the poo emoji. Oh my god, it's the poo emoji. Okay, it's the poo emoji for mud. What about mud with mud? Let me guess what that's going to make. Earth. No, clay. Oh, that makes sense. What about clay with clay? Will it just make mud? No, it makes a brick. Does PewDiePie? He's not associated with bricks. Let's try and make a pie. So we haven't got any sort of food. Well, we have got fish, but you have to cook it and kill it. So we'll do fish with brick. It's a wall. Galileo. Telescope with magnifying glass. Microscope. Okay. Wow. Water with microscope. Wow. Okay, well, guys, let's just do one more. We're going to do fish with that sperm. Okay. Right, let's go back. Let's play draw perfect circle. Go. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's a really bad one. Okay, Come on, that's good. Okay. Okay, let's be real. No! Okay. God, this is really hard on a laptop. What? How? Sometimes you have to take your time. Oh, that was actually quite good. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, guys, we're getting better. And we're getting worse. Okay, guys, let's actually play. Shall we play a bit of Roblox? Yeah, let's play a bit of Roblox now, guys. Guys, this is gonna be so fun. What shall we play? Oh, there's Broken Bones. Let's play. Shall we play Road to Play? Okay, well, first let's get logged out of Toby TV 120, and then we'll go on to Toby Game. Is it Toby Games? And then YouTube me. Yeah. Come on. Verifying it all. Okay, maybe YouTube guy. Verifying you know, but okay, it might be Tommy Gamer. And then YouTube. Wait, man. Oh, you've got to be. YouTube guy. No. It might be on capitals. Oh, you've got to be. Oh, what's going on, guys? Okay, guys, what is going on? Okay, looks like we're making a new account. Guys, it looks like we're making a new account. Okay, this is just gonna be my gaming thing. We're going to do Toby. Okay, guys, we're not going to play Roblox. I don't know what's going on. We're just going to play on this account. What is going on? Shall we just like play higher? Yeah, let's, guys. We're gonna play higher lower game now. Okay. So let's guess how many subscribers the YouTubers have. Watch my hair. I believe it's watch my haircut. Yes. 3.34 versus 7.97. That is definitely the Ellen Show. They have many subs. Oh, I nearly pressed Ben. I really like Ben Azelart's content. Oh, that's gonna be Ben Azelart. Only 1.36. Get your numbers up, Geo Wizard. Definitely Kalis. 100%. Okay, like Nassia has over 100 million subscribers. Yeah, 125 mil. We're doing this! Like Nassia. Jawaga German has got a lot though. 52.5 mil. T-Series. How has he lost twice? Guess T-Series. They're the second most subscribed YouTuber in the world. If you didn't know that. Definitely T-Series. They have like 1,000 times as much as Josh Zerka. Definitely Vanos Gaming. Vanos Gaming? Yes! Oh! Hi, Romilly! Ooh! Well, now my baby sister's in. So yeah, don't be disappointed if you hear a bunch of... Oh, Romilly, careful! No. Oh, wow. Okay, guess we're going for You Are Cristiano. Yeah, we'll put the charger back in. She just took out the charger, don't be bothered. Right, JJ Altunji, which is KSI's second channel. JJ Altunji, Will Smith, 10.7 mil, and he's a celebrity. Fede, he's like inside the top 50 most subscribed. He has 64 mil, yeah. Oh, you're right, Romilly. That is going to be Fede. Are they like brothers? They look like brothers. Okay, I don't know my life is either. 30.1 million. I don't even have near that much. I only have 8 subscribers. So, Mariana Rezo. Oh, she's got over 10 mil. Yeah, Romilly? KSI. KSI wins. Sorry, Ali. Okay, more Ali A wins. I know, toothbrush. I don't even know what his name is. 60 million though versus 18.3. Oh, 18 million is quite a lot. No, we were doing so good. Alright, will Roblox work? I don't know if Roblox. Yes, it does. Okay, let's create our new account. Okay, yeah, don't press anything, Romilly. Alright, don't use your real name. Well, guess what we are. Why? YT. Okay, what about YTZ? Toby Dad Dogger. That was an insane Ellen show, guys. Okay, well guys, I will just what is he, Toby the dog? Let's just go for what is he, Toby the dog? 6. At least 8 characters. YouTube man. YouTube man, boy. Okay, create account. Alright guys, we are going to upgrade this character by a lot. Okay, clothing. And now we're going to wear this. What? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Black jean. Nah. Let's do the ripped skater pants. Hi, Romley. No, Romley, please don't. Oh, no. Baby do 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 do. Okay, now our character's skin needs to change. Hi, Romilly. Okay, that's gonna be our character. Oh wow. Okay, what shall we play? Let's play. Shall we play Goal Kick Simulator? Yeah, let's do goal. Yes, Goal Kick Simulator. I have to turn caps lock off. Okay, Goal Kick Simulator Aliens Edition. Aliens! This game, right? Maybe get it. See if I can get it, dude. Oh! Guys, we're gonna wrap it up there. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.